As everywhere we have a traditions, diving is not exclusion, and of course we have some traditions we follow. I don't know, it's like really there are no strict traditions we do or follow. They are like a kind of, okay, maybe you have heard about some of them. Like for example, one is when you become a dive master, then we have a tradition to do a snorkel test. I don't know where it comes from. There's no any like traditions what we do when someone becomes instructor, and that's actually strange. Like for example, Russians have this tradition after the night dive so there's those who didn't do the night dive, they wait for those who's coming from the night dive with a shot of vodka and some, I don't know, like a small bite, I don't know, like a what is that, like a sandwich, and that's the tradition. Then another tradition, and again I'm not really sure where it comes, but one of the traditions is to dive naked your 100 dive. The first time I heard about that, and I've been diving quite a long time already, so since 2003, the first time it came up, I was already in Bali, here in Amed, and then someone got a 100 dive and they did a naked dive. That's probably because in this area there are so many French. Hello friends. So that probably that tradition comes from them, because I never heard about that previously. At this point, when I'm starting this video, I'm not really informed about any other traditions, so I will do research, and during this episode I will try to show you all of these interesting traditions in diving. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.